Hi everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to connect CoinPayments to your bot and configure the settings. CoinPayments is a cryptocurrency payment gateway for companies and individuals. CoinPayments has 2.2 million users across 182 countries. With CoinPayments and InviteMember, you can accept Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more than 2,290 other cryptocurrencies. Here we are in Telegram, and I'll go to my InviteMember bot and open my daily yoga project that we created earlier. Now I'll click on Payment Options. Here you can see the list of all available payment options. To use CoinPayments, you'll need an active InviteMember subscription with one of our plans. Now I'll click on CoinPayments. If you don't have a CoinPayments account yet, click Create Account. Here on their website, click Sign Up in the top right corner. Here, select a business account and fill out all the necessary fields. After you verify your email address, use the two-factor authentication code that you received in the email. Now you'll have to go through a Know Your Customer procedure, including showing an identification document, taking a selfie, providing proof of residence, and entering your personal data. Note that it will take 5 to 15 minutes for your application to be processed. When the verification process is complete, go up and click on the Account menu and go to API Keys. Now click Generate New Key. After the key is generated, on the right, click Edit Permissions. Scroll down and make sure only two checkboxes are checked: Create Transaction and Rates. I see that everything's fine, so I'll click Never Mind. Now back here, we have our public and private API keys, so let's copy them and switch back to Telegram. And we're ready to click Connect CoinPayments. Now it's asking me to paste the keys, so I'll go ahead and do that. Done! Your InviteMember bot is now almost connected to CoinPayments. When your keys are received by the bot, please make sure to delete the message with them. Otherwise, they will stay in your chat history and someone who has access to your Telegram account can find them. In order to accept payments with CoinPayments, you must set your IPN secret. An IPN secret is required to receive notifications about your CoinPayments transaction status updates. So let's switch back to the browser, go to the Account menu, and go to Account Settings. Now go to the Merchant Settings tab and enter a good random string nobody can guess. Then click Update Account. Then return to InviteMember bot, click Set IPN Secret, and enter the same string. Again, don't forget to delete your IPN secret from the chat history when you finish. Now we need to choose which coins we'd like to accept. Click the Coin Acceptance Settings link here in the bot. Choose which coins you'd like to accept from this list, and when you're done, click Update Coin Preferences at the bottom. Now switch back to the bot and click Refresh. And that's it! Your membership bot should now accept payments in cryptocurrency. Okay, now we can test out a payment in my daily yoga bot. I'll switch to the bot and click Start. Now it gives me the option to select a payment plan, which we already set up in another tutorial, so I'll click this $10 plan. Now here it lists the details of the plan and offers me a list of cryptocurrencies to pay with. These are the same cryptos I selected from the list earlier. Let's select Bitcoin. And now it gives me a Bitcoin wallet address to send my BTC. This is a unique address that is valid for only 8 hours. Also, there's a QR code so I can easily make the payment and check my transaction status. And switch back to Telegram. Once the transaction is accepted, access will be granted to the premium channel, as with all other payment methods. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.